Welcome to the Vodia PBX Quick Start Guide presented by Voxtelesys. In this video, we'll be demonstrating how to set up the Voxtelesys SIP Trunk in the Vodia PBX. Before you get started, make sure you're in the proper domain. From the Administrator System level, click on the Domains tab, then click on List from the dropdown. You can choose your domain from here. Next, click on the Trunks tab. From the dropdown, select SIP Trunks. Next, click on Add. Select Voxtelesys as your provider. Next, choose a name of your liking in the Name field. The domain, username, password, and DID fields are all provided by Voxtelesys. If you wish, you can add multiple DIDs by adding a space between each of them. Click on Create when you're finished. Congratulations! You've successfully set up the Voxtelesys SIP Trunk in the Vodia PBX. Check back for more videos on Vodia, as well as other helpful guides.